Hey, I'm Danielle Matthews. I think the skills that I would seek most in a job is that it's a place where it's a personable work environment. I don't want to go somewhere that I'm just a number on a piece of paper. I want to go somewhere where I can know everyone there, have a conversation, be personable, talk to them, know about their family and their life outside of work. I think that it's also something that I look for as a place that I can better myself and grow. I think that you shouldn't just work somewhere where you're going to be stuck. That's definitely something that I look for when I think about a job is can I grow and make myself a better person while I'm there? And not just grow as being a better person, but is there a chance to move up or further my career within that company without having to switch companies where it's something that I'm familiar with and I don't have to go through a complete change. I think that this goes back to, just like I've always had the same job. I've always worked for my parents on our farm. So that's a place that I'm comfortable and I want that to continue into what I do for my career. Um, that kind of goes into my life mission. We have a fourth generation farm, and part of my goal is like a career goal is to continue it into a fifth generation. This is something that's going to be done by my brother and myself. It's a difficult task, but it's not impossible. So that's sort of my career life mission. And then just personally, like my life mission is to, like keep a healthy lifestyle because farm life can be stressful. And I feel like that's something that's often not talked about. But I want to be able to, maintain a healthy lifestyle mentally and physically. I want to be happy with what I do daily. I don't want to wake up in the morning and dread what I'm doing. And I highly doubt that'll be the case being on the farm because I've always loved everything I've done. And some things not as much as others, but I've always loved it at the end of the day. And currently, a goal for mine is to finish up and graduate in the spring. I'm on track to, and I hope that nothing changes that or derails those plans. And I just want to be more involved with my family. These are kind of my personal goals that lead into career goals because working on a family farm operation, you have to get along with them. You're very close with them. You're definitely going to be with them 24/7 and still living at home with your parents. You're really going to be with them all the time. So that's just kind of goals for myself that I've set so that I'm able to reach it and achieve what I want in my life and to be happy. That's stuff that I would seek in a job too if I was looking for a job off the farm, but definitely plan to return to the farm and have a job there because it's a place that I can grow as a person and I can further myself and skills that I've learned at state I can put hands on the farm operation and learn more things every day and continue learning as new technology comes out. That's a way that I'm able to better myself in that job environment.